Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. On today's episode, we will review these Nissan 350Z by Hotworks Racing Factory model cars. And yeah, this is the third part of our Hotworks models. And this one is Nissan 350Z on 1/24 scale. So let's begin. So this particular one is on a Nismo setup. As you can see, it has Nismo wheels, front bumper, side skirt, rear bumper, and its rear spoiler. It's the same as the other two, only the hood opens. As you can see, the engine details are there. The carbon fiber thing, and the inside is set up with the pocket seat with harness, 5-point harness. As you can see, it's actually a left-hand drive. And yeah, so it's on silver metallic color. Nice. So the parts that is included is the regular rotors and disc brakes, fire extinguisher always, racing style steering wheels, the original rear spoiler, choice of your engine, which is the stock one. So you can see the difference. The other one has a carbon fiber here, and this one is just a regular one. The exhaust pipes, yeah, and the one that is, yeah, it's basically the same. I don't know what's the difference. Oh, this one is smaller. Yeah, this one is smaller, has a bigger tip, exhaust tip, compared to this one. Yeah, side skirts also different. This one is gray, and this one, the stock one, is just the same color as the body. Also have a stock wheels compared to the Nismo wheels. Yeah, this is the front bumper, the regular front bumper. Fair Lady Z. Fair Lady Z. So as you can see, compared to the Nismo one, yeah. Also the rear one has a canard here, like a rear diffuser on the side. Also the bucket seats, the regular ones are like these. Yeah. Also comes with a sticker. It's Nismo sticker. So it's nice. It's nice to put these, but I chose not to. And yeah, so that's it for this model. So let's just take a closer look. Nice. You can also adjust the height and the camber of this one. Height, camber. I think it's on a default setting, the height and the camber, so I chose not to mess with it. It looks nice like this. So yeah, Nissan 350Z, Fair Lady Z, what they call it in Japan. So that's it for this video, guys. I know it's a short video, nothing much to show, and hope you guys like it. Please hit the like button if you like this video, and please share it. Please don't forget to subscribe, and see you guys on the next one. There's one more video coming on this Hotworks series, and see you guys on the next one. Thank you. Bye bye.